So, you've got an online store for your business, but struggling with getting traffic. There are many ways in which you can increase traffic to your website. However, talking about one of the quickest and most efficient, Google Ads is the one that you should never miss out. Hi everyone, this is Josh from Shoplazza, your e-commerce partner and business builder. In this video, I'll walk you through how to run Google Ads to advance your business goals and grow your online business. And if you're new to our channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more helpful tutorials on growing your online business. When it comes to advertising, many people shy away from it as they find it too expensive to start or for the lack of skills. Well, while these are valid concerns, they shouldn't become your excuses for not getting into Google Ads. There are a couple of reasons why and how Google Ads helps you achieve your business objectives. First of all, Google Ads are measurable. When it comes to digital advertising, you're not left in the dark thinking if the ad campaign is profitable or not. Everything is tracked, making it easy to make changes for a better campaign next time. Google Ads also boosts your brand awareness and sales. With banner and YouTube ads, getting people to know about your brand's existence is effortless. Just with a tiny budget, you can appear in many blogs and get people interested in your offering. Google Ads aren't only great for brand awareness, but also for boosting your sales. And if you know what you're doing, it isn't uncommon to see your ads quadruple the amount you spend on them. Meanwhile, building Google Ads campaigns are extremely cost effective. Instead of paying per impression, you're paying for a click to your website. That means you'll only pay once the viewer has taken action. Last but not least, did you know that your competitors are using Google Ads? So instead of letting them have this unfair advantage, learn to use it and stay competitive. However, going in blind won't be the wisest decision. We should first learn the platform and the best practices. Here we've got 5 Google Ads hacks to help you boost your online business. Number 1, start with the primary objective. Before running any ads, you need to understand why you're running them in the first place. Think of it like a road trip. If you don't have your destination set, you'll never get anywhere. Instead, you'll be wandering around. However, when picking one, you should be smart about it. While we all want to get more orders to our online stores, it might not be the best objective to start with. For example, the best thing to do for new brands is to increase our brand awareness. That's because most people won't buy anything from a business that they don't know. Then, once we've shown our ads to them for some time, we can start promoting our sales ads to them. Number 2, have a monthly ad budget. When it comes to advertising on Google, you must make sure that you've got some cash to run them every day. That's because of one reason: data. The more you advertise, the better data you'll get. That will help you see what is working on your ad and what is not. Then, with changes, you could start writing better copy and seeing results quicker. But how much should you allocate? Well, that depends on the size of your business and how much you have to spend. For example, big companies could spend thousands every day. But according to WebEffects, an average small to mid-sized business spends about $9,000 to $10,000 per month. However, when you're just starting out, having at least $500 each month should be enough. Number 3, choose your keywords wisely. Keywords are the key to a good Google ad campaign. They are the deciding factor if your ad will perform well or not. But what are keywords exactly? To put it simply, keywords are the words used to search for information on Google. So if someone wants to learn how to play the guitar, they might write on the search bar, "How to learn guitar," or "Easy way to learn guitar." However, when picking your keywords, you should avoid those that are too competitive or too generic. Competitive keywords can drive up your ad costs. Generic keywords might not target the audience you need. For example, if your keywords are something like guitar course, then you probably won't get any sales. So a better one could be acoustic guitar strumming techniques. Before you use keywords, make sure they align with the target audience and aren't too competitive by checking them on Google Keyword Planner. Number 4, create landing pages that match your business goals. It's not enough to create the best ad copies and pick the best keywords. Additionally, You should also make sure that once you get the click, the visitor will do what you want them to do. So for example, if you're having a sale, you probably won't want to direct them to your homepage. Instead, you'd like to lead them to a specific product page or a product category. That way, you'll reduce the friction of buying. And if you're looking for more exposure, you might want to direct your visitors to a giveaway page where they can spread your message even further. Number 5, understand which campaign types work best. Before launching your first Google ad campaign, you must know which campaign type works best for your primary objective. The first one is search ads. These ads will appear at the top of every search result. These are best for advertising your products and services on your blog posts. Then it comes to display ads. These are the picture ads that you might see on a YouTube video or on a blog. These ads are best used for brand awareness and remarketing purposes. The third one is shopping ads. They are advertisements that act like product pages but inside Google. These are best to use for warm traffic to convert them into buyers. To get your shopping ad started, you'll need to sync your product data to Google Merchant Center. I must say, Google Merchant Center is important to help you reach hundreds of millions of people looking to buy products like yours. If you have no idea how to get your Google Merchant Center approved, make sure you're checking out Shoplazza. As a Google first-class business partner, Shoplazza is deeply integrated with Google's marketing channels and can help merchants quickly upload products to Google Merchant Center, link ad accounts, and enable shopping ads. You can check out the link below to start creating your Google shopping ads. The best part is that you don't have to worry about your products in Google Merchant Center getting disapproved. With the store pre-check feature, Shoplazza helps you with your store approval rate as high as 99% and prevents your account from being suspended by Google. So if you're an online business owner who is looking for traffic on your website and your products, make sure to click the link in the description box and start your Google marketing journey. We hope this video helps you skyrocket your Google ads and advance your business goals. If we did, don't forget to smash that like button. Meanwhile, make sure that you've subscribed to our channel if you're new here. We will release more helpful tips on growing your e-commerce business. Stay tuned. Okay, so that's all for today's episode. Thank you so much guys for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.